At 6 o'clock, we are having a legislature's party meeting at the party office. Both the observers are coming to Bangalore. They will collect the opinion of the members and they will submit their report to High Command by evening or night today. It will be decided by night or tomorrow morning. That is his experience in Congress party. But we have no factions in BJP. But BJP is very strong. Selecting a chief minister is very easy in Congress party because they blackmail members and the High Command. They blackmail the High Command and they become. But in our party, no blackmail will chalega. So we will decide by evening. This is not fighting. This is actually, there are many leaders in the party, so that they wanted their share of power and they are trying for the LOP.
But you have only one LOP seat, sir.
Of course, they should understand. So one this time gets no. So another next time somebody will get.
How will you manage this internet?
No, brother. See, it is a temporary this thing because many have lost the elections. So that outburst will be there always.
Session starting
from the beginning.
Session starting from today, and you don't have the LOP in the session, sir.
No. Today is not necessary. It will be decided tomorrow morning. The real
governor's speech.